Hi friends, this video shows how to delete connected camera from Canon Camera Connect app. You can see that this camera is connected to this uh, uh, Canon Camera Connect app. So we can see the images. So let me connect to Wi-Fi. See, we can see the videos and photos in this camera using this Canon Camera Connect app. So I am going to delete this camera from this Camera Connect app. First you need to tap on these three lines on top right corner, then select checking and deleting registered cameras, then select this, tap on this delete icon, then tap on yes, then select OK. Go to settings, and first we need to unpair the Bluetooth. Go to settings, tap on the settings button, then tap on this pair device EOS R50, then tap on unpair, then go back to Camera Connect app. Okay, done. You can see I have successfully deleted that camera from Canon Camera Connect app. Okay, so this way we can delete registered camera from Canon Camera Connect app. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.